Hi, have you or a loved one experienced any flu or cold-like symptoms and you were wondering a good, organic, and cheap way to combat some of those? Well, if you're not sick now, you could be sick soon. We're not quite out the woods yet. I bring to you the elderberry. The elderberry is a medicinal plant, so much so that I would like to see what it's going to taste like in a hot toddy. Now, this ever fickle and finicky plant to start only has a 65% germination rate, but you know what? I will take those odds to Vegas with me all day long strong. Now, even at that 65%, we only need one to grow. So pretty much for myself, the odds of getting one of these to spring are about the odds of me getting a call back after a first date. Most likely we're going to get ghosted, but I have faith. All right, so we have our sticks, we have our nodes. Now, one of these, I'm actually going to cut a little shorter. I got a few tips from M.I. Gardner about these, but something that I noticed was that they're always cut short, the nodes. Yes, these do look a little longer. I got these actually from an elderberry farmer who actually cut these for me. Who am I to say who's right or wrong, right? But we do have enough here that we can find out, all right? Just plunk these guys down in some soil. Actually, I'm gonna plunk this bigger guy here. Plunk these guys down into some soil, pretty deep. Now, what am I plunking these guys into is a little bit of perlite and some indoor, just some regular indoor potting mix soil. I'm gonna do a little bit of overkill, and I'm gonna give it, a little bit of this guy, diluted. Root stimulator, this guy, diluted. All right. Trying to get these finicky plants to grow, period. One thing we're not going to do is I am not going to pull these out to check for root, okay? I'm going to just be faithful that our root is growing. And you know what? When I start to see a little bit of hairs and whiskers fall out of there, then I'm going to take this guy, plant it outside, protect it, possibly cage it, and that's it. All right. Let's get growing.